Oh, hi everybody. My name is Alisa, and in this lesson we will learn how to water my plants. Just joking. In this lesson we will continue reading about plants. So, you may think that I am in a greenhouse now, but you're wrong. I am not. I am at home, but I'm growing my own vegetables at home. So these are tomatoes and this is radish. So this is what I'm growing at home, and hopefully we'll get results out of this. But for now, I'm just enjoying seeing these plants growing and getting taller, and their leaves are very beautiful and green. So yeah. Okay, so today we'll continue working on identifying characteristics of descriptive text pattern. So we'll continue working on a descriptive text. So the topic of the text that we'll read today is Growing in a Greenhouse. It's written by Dan Rayleigh and it's published in Nelson Literacy. Okay, so before we start, I would like you to remember 3 characteristics of the descriptive text. Last lesson we have learned this, let's review it today. So first of all, as you read, look for these characteristics of descriptive text pattern. So first, the topic is clearly identified. So what is the topic of this text? Growing in a greenhouse. So this is the topic of this text, growing in a greenhouse. Yes. Next, information is organized in sections. The first section is, what is a greenhouse? The next section is, why is a greenhouse made of glass? And the third section is, what grows in a greenhouse? Okay. Also, each section tells something important about the topic. So let's get started and read about growing in a greenhouse. People grow plants on farms and in gardens. For example, like me. Plants can also grow in a special place called a greenhouse. What is a greenhouse? A greenhouse looks like a big house. The roof and walls are usually made of glass. A greenhouse is not green. So why is it called a greenhouse? It gets its name from what grows inside. You will find lots and lots of plants growing in a greenhouse. Not only tomatoes and not only radish, much more. Why is a greenhouse made of glass? Plants need light and heat to help them grow. The glass walls and roof of a greenhouse let in lots of warm sunlight. So it lets in the sunlight, but it doesn't let in the cold air, right? That's why plants can grow. What grows in a greenhouse? Trees, vegetables, flowers, and many other kinds of plants can grow in a greenhouse. Okay, so today we have learned about a greenhouse, and now it's time for the reflection. So, what is the topic of this article? Tell me, please. The topic of this article is growing in a greenhouse, right? Growing in a greenhouse. What did you learn by reading the 3 sections in the article? So please think. Remember about 3 sections that we have read. The first one, what is a greenhouse? So please remember, what is a greenhouse? The second section is, why is a greenhouse made of glass? I'm sure you can answer this question now. And the third section is, what grows in a greenhouse? This is the third section. Please think. Do we grow only tomatoes and only radish in a greenhouse? Okay. So, what else would you like to know about greenhouses? Please record your questions and make your own research. So please record the question that you have, and then you can search, you can ask your parents, you can search in the internet, what else grows in a greenhouse? What else would you like to know about greenhouses? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed learning about the greenhouse. It's time for me to go and water my radish and my tomatoes, and I will see you next lesson. See you soon, take care, and if you liked my greenhouse, just kidding, and if you liked my vegetables, please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel.